Hi, I'm Kayla with Service Star Realty, and today we're talking about swimming pool maintenance and liability. Renting out a Phoenix property with a swimming pool can be a good idea. The summers are hot and long, and tenants may be willing to pay a little extra to live in a well-maintained home with a pool. The problem isn't the pool itself. For landlords, the problem is maintaining the pool and reducing the liability that often comes with it. Drowning is a leading cause of death among children in Arizona, and that's why you have to be really careful when you have a pool. We're sharing a few of the most important safety codes that you'll need to pay attention to, and we're recommending how to keep your pool and property in excellent condition. As a landlord, your liability and risk increases when you rent out a home with a pool. Before your tenant moves in, make sure you inspect and document the condition of the pool and the safety features included. Periodic inspections are also a good idea. This can protect you from a lawsuit and give you the peace of mind that your pool is well maintained. A fence is required around your pool when children are present. Since you never know when you will or won't be renting to a family with children, you should have a fenced enclosure at all times if you have a pool. A 5-foot fence is required at a distance of 20 inches or more from the water. Make sure the fence doesn't have any gaps larger than 4 inches or any holes. If the pool is not fenced, you'll need doors and windows that have self-closing and self-latching features. You'll also need to be careful and block access from the street to your backyard and install the legally required locks. The Arizona legislature maintains a complete list of pool safety requirements. Familiarize yourself with those if you're renting out a home with a pool. Hire professional pool cleaners. Your tenants may volunteer to care for the pool on their own, but we believe it's the landlord's job. There's risk that's involved in leaving your tenants to clean and maintain the pool properly. They may not do a good job, and then you end up with a pool that's neglected or the equipment may be broken. This will ultimately cost you more than the cost of a professional pool cleaner. These are just a few considerations when you're renting out a home with a pool. Deciding who is responsible for the pool care depends on you and your tenants, as well as any regulations or rules that may be in place from your HOA or community association. For more information on pool safety in Phoenix rental properties, contact us at Service Star Realty.